In 2024, the average person spends around 2 hours and 24 minutes per day on social media. That's over 40 days every year just scrolling. We all know social media has some downsides. If you don't, social media can lead to stress, anxiety, low self-esteem, lack of focus, poor sleep, and a lot of toxic comparisons. But this video isn't about the problem. It's about the solution. Social media addiction is real. You wake up and check your phone. You go to bed still scrolling. If you feel like you're constantly distracted or not getting things done, this video is your wake-up call. The first step is being honest with yourself.
Ask yourself,
It's the first thing you do in the morning, check Instagram or TikTok. Do you feel the urge to check every notification? Do you scroll for just 5 minutes and suddenly it's 1 hour? If you said yes to any of these, there's a good chance you're hooked. Install one of time tracking apps like these. These apps will show you exactly how much time you spend on each app. Unfollow or mute accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. Stop consuming content that drains your energy or confidence. Follow people who inspire you, teach you, or just make you laugh. And remember that you are what you feed your brain. Start with small wins. No phone for the first hour after you wake up. No social media 1 hour before bed. Try a social media-free Sunday once a week. You'll be shocked at how calm and focused you feel. Start a hobby. Go for walks, read, work out, call a friend. Most of the time, we scroll because we're bored or tired. Fill your day with things that give you real joy, not fake dopamine hits. Social media addiction doesn't mean you're lazy or weak. It just means you're human, and the apps were designed to hook you. But small changes, big results. Take back your time, take back your focus, and most importantly, take back your mind. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today.